What it do, y'all? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video is going to be about TA, okay, technical analysis. I have 11 coins with potential entries, okay. So we're going to start with ARB. So currently I haven't bought on ARB and I'm on this trade right here. So I haven't maxed out because to max out I need to reach 136. The current ARB token price is 128, okay. But seems like the whole market is dipping a little bit because people are taking profits, and also it's Friday, so the markets are closing and people are taking profits because weekend is coming. Okay, so if you are looking to trade ARB, I would be looking at the entry point around here 125.4, 125.4. Okay, and this would be a good entry point. If you are deploying bots, it depends on your trading style, okay? Because me, I deploy bots, and the bots trade between within this grid, okay? If you are doing trades, so you probably want to set up in a different way, so you probably want to do it something like this, okay? Where the stop loss is a bit shorter, okay? And take profits will be right here. But me, because I'm doing bots, even if the price comes below this one all the way here, trades in here in the red, okay, he's making trades, okay, making profits, and then when the price comes below, okay, the accumulated profits from these trades plus the price appreciation will add up, okay, and then in the long run will be beneficial. That's why I'd like to deploy this kind of bots, okay. But yeah, if you are looking to trade ARB, so look for the entry around 125.4. Okay. And in order to do that, so let's go over to the 15-minute price chart real quick and let's see how far we are. Oh, we're not far at all. So the price has to dip 179, okay, in order to the bots to get triggered, the trade to get triggered. Okay. So next one up, we have the XRP. So XRP is dumping, right? So my entry price yesterday was at 0.78 and I still have the bots up and running. Okay, I was in around 8, 9% this morning, but now it's dipping. And I believe this white line over here will be a good support for XRP. So if XRP breaks below the support line, we might revisit this 0.58. But in my opinion, I doubt it. Okay, I doubt that it will happen, but most likely we're gonna touch this 0.7098 line. Okay, that's why I decided to set up this trade. So if you're looking to trade XRP, look to catch around 0.70 0.70 89, something like that. Okay, 0.70 50, between 0.70 50, 0.70 80. Okay, and then from there take profits around $1 and stop loss around 0.58. Okay, and as you can see right here, we are really close to get triggered. So okay, so if you are looking to trade XRP, it's just 2% below. Okay, and I would wait because weekend is here, right? So just wait and see what happens. Okay, so if it breaks below and continues on dumping, you might set up a trade over here at 0.58. But in order to do that, it has to go down 21%. Okay, so keep that in mind. Next one up, we have the ADA, okay, Cardano, right? So Cardano, as you can see right here, I got it set up at 0.34. Okay, so let's go over to the 15 minutes and let's see what's happening. Okay, so as you can see right now, it's breaking below, so we are at 0.33. So if it keeps on going down, so we might want to set up a trade at 0.3110. Okay, in order to do that, let's see how far we are. So we have to drop 7%. Is it likely? I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. We'll see. But again, if you are looking to trade ADA, I would be looking at the ADA price chart right now. If you will see a recover, that means the support line still active, okay, and the price will bounce back and probably trade around this at $34. Okay, if it keeps on dropping, you might as well try to catch it over here around 0.31. Okay, next one up we have the Matic. Okay, Matic. So let's go to the 15-minute and let's see what's up. Right, again, Matic, if you want to trade Matic, you can try to catch Matic at let's call it 0.79, okay, and this would be the setup for Matic, and seems like Matic is on its way to get triggered as well, so it has to drop 3.14% if you want to get the price triggered around here, 0.79, okay. So as you can see right here, this is a good support line, and I believe Matic will come over here and touch the support line. Is it going below? I doubt it. I doubt it, but we'll see. Okay, this is just a possibility. Okay, next one up, we have the Solana. Okay, as you can see right here, the whole market is dumping, which is normal, right? So Solana, I would set up right here. Okay, 27.21, but from what I can see, the price is right now is 27.13. So I would just keep an eye on Solana or wait until tomorrow and see what happens. So if the price keeps on going down, 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 you might as well try to catch it over here at 23.11. Okay. So yeah, all these coins you got to keep an eye on it because at the moment the whole market is dumping. So don't set up any trade. Just let it dump. So once the dump is over, then you'll be like, okay, is this a good level? Maybe yes, maybe not. If not, if the dump continues, then try to come and catch it right here. Okay, so don't chase trades. Okay, let the trades come to you. Next one up, we have the AVAX, and AVAX again. Um, an entry point would be at 1481. Okay, 1481 would be a good entry for AVAX if the dump continues. Okay, so it has to drop 2.24%. Okay, and this would be the trade setup. Okay, next one up, we have Dogecoin. Dogecoin is also dumping. Everything is dumping that I'm going to show you today. That's why I'm going to show you today. Okay, I've got no shorts. I don't like to trade shorts in this uptrend. Okay, so this is Doge setup. If Doge has to drop, okay, to come to this entry price at 0.06837, okay, we have to drop 3%, which is very likely. Okay, so set up a trade around here, 0.068, okay, and then go from there. Okay, next one up, we have the XLM, right? XLM is dumping really hard, okay, and seems like it's going to go for this 0.1242 price, okay. So if it comes over here, touch this one and bounces back, that's a good sign. Okay, if not, it will continue to dump all the way to 0.10, right? So again, it's just a matter of time, because just be patient and watch what the market is doing. Okay, so next one up, we have the Optimus. OP, is it Optimus? Yeah, Optimus. It was like Optimus. Yeah, OP, it's right here at the entry price, or just dip a little bit below. Okay, so OP, again, the entry price would be around here, 151. Currently it's trading at 150. So if you see a recovery, then it might be a good entry, because we are buying at discount a bit below the price, the trigger price. Okay, so it would be a good entry as well, and this would be the setup for it. Okay, next one up, we got dots. I've got a bot on dots. I've got a neutral grid bot on dots. And yes, my prediction was correct, because I deployed around here this red line and was like, okay, even if the dot continues to pump, eventually it will dump. Okay, and the neutral grid buys every time he buys and sells every time he sells. Okay, so we make profit on the way up, and also we make profit on the way down, as long as the price stays within this price range right here. Okay, so yeah, dot is dumping, and if you are trying to catch dots, 5.51 would be a good entry. Okay, currently at 5.5. Okay, and this would be the setup right here. Okay, and next one up, and lastly, we have the Phantom. Okay, Phantom is also dipping. So let's go over to the 15 minutes. I'm showing the 15 minutes so I can show you how close we are to hit the targets. Okay, because usually I look for the trades within 1 hour and 4 hour range, because it's more accurate than 15 minutes. Okay, So in order to Phantom to come all the way to our entry price, it has to drop 3.92, and the entry price would be around 0.278, 0.277, something like that. Okay, so I would place a trade over here. And Phantom, I really believe that is going to go for 0.27 and bounce back up, because Phantom didn't pump as much as the other coins. Okay, so as you can see right here, Phantom was already struggling to overcome this one, and hopefully now this resistance level back here will be support level. Okay, so most likely Phantom will come over here and 0.278 and trade around this price. Okay, so those are the coins that I will be on the lookout. Okay, so okay, like I said, from these coins I have dots, neutral grid bots. I have XRP. Okay, I went long on XRP. My entry price was around here. Okay, and I have the ARB token. Am I going to close any of these coins, bots? No, I am not, because I'm in it for the long run, and I'm in it for the passive income, because even though sometimes the bots go below my entry price, the bots are still working. They are still performing trades and make profits, and eventually when the price comes up, because that's what I believe, that's why I deploy these long bots. Okay, I will be in profit. Even if my entry point was here, I'm already in profit because of the past trades around here. Okay, that's why I like to deploy these long grid bots. Okay, but that's just my strategy, because I want to make it these trading bots as passive as possible. Okay, that being said, guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.